Gangs, all crammed together in the city's slums.
FBI Director J. Edgar Hoover downplayed its very existence.
And let's do one more. Las Vegas, you remember
Children playing in the street. You would have seen a small African.
In this very room, across from Senator Kefauver and his...
the next one?
The opportunity of a lifetime. Gangsters, mafia.
On the streets of Las Vegas, you would have seen stores that sold West.
The Mob Museum, officially known as the National Museum of Organized Crime and Law Enforcement, is one of the most distinctive cultural attractions in downtown Las Vegas. Opened on February 14, 2012, the museum is dedicated to telling the complex story of organized crime in the United States and the law enforcement agencies that fought against it. Today, visitors can stand in the very courtroom where these hearings took place, adding an authentic historical dimension to the museum experience. Rather than glorifying gangsters, the museum presents a balanced historical perspective, examining how organized crime influenced American cities, politics, business, and popular culture, while highlighting the efforts of investigators, prosecutors, and police officers who work to dismantle criminal organizations. The museum has earned a reputation as one of Las Vegas's premier history museums and welcomes visitors from around the world interested in crime history, American history, and the city's unique past.
Italian immigrants in the Crescent City had to beware as anti-immigrant lynch parties took the law into their own hands.
The museum is housed inside a beautifully restored 1933 former U.S. Post Office and Courthouse, located at 300 Stewart Avenue, just a short walk from Fremont Street. The building itself is an important historical landmark and is listed on the National Register of Historic Places. One of its most significant claims to fame is that it hosted part of the famous Kefauver hearings in 1950, a series of televised Senate investigations into organized crime that exposed the reach of the American mafia to millions of viewers.
Most people just move their drinking underground.
The Mob Museum spans 4 floors, filled with immersive exhibits, multimedia presentations, interactive displays, and hundreds of authentic artifacts. The exhibits trace the evolution of organized crime, from the early 20th century through Prohibition, the rise of the mafia, the expansion of gambling operations in Las Vegas, and modern organized crime networks.
The city most brazenly defined shores in the late 18th and early 1900s.
Rather than focusing solely on famous gangsters, the museum also explores the social and economic conditions that allowed criminal organizations to flourish, as well as the technological and investigative advancements that eventually weakened many of these organizations. Visitors are encouraged to examine historical events from multiple viewpoints, providing a richer understanding of one of America's most fascinating chapters of history.
Early night labs.
Among the museum's greatest strengths is its remarkable collection of authentic artifacts. One of the most famous pieces is the original brick wall from Chicago's 1929 St. Valentine's Day Massacre, where 7 members of George Bugs Moran's gang were murdered in one of the most infamous gangland killings in American history. The museum also displays personal belongings, weapons, documents, clothing, surveillance equipment, and other rare artifacts connected to legendary figures such as Al Capone, Lucky Luciano, Meyer Lansky, Bugsy Siegel, Sam Giancana, Joe Bonanno, John Gotti, and Frank Lefty Rosenthal. These genuine historical items help transform well-known crime stories into tangible experiences for visitors. Interactive experiences distinguish the Mob Museum from many traditional history museums. Visitors can analyze evidence in the crime lab, where they learn about fingerprint analysis, DNA testing, and forensic science techniques used in criminal investigations. The use of Force and Firearm Training Simulator presents realistic law enforcement scenarios that challenge participants to make split-second decisions, similar to those faced by police officers. Throughout the museum, interactive videos, listening stations featuring authentic FBI wiretaps, and multimedia presentations allow guests to engage with historical material rather than simply viewing exhibits behind glass. One of the museum's most popular attractions is the basement level, the underground speakeasy and distillery. Designed to recreate the atmosphere of a hidden Prohibition-era bar, the venue features vintage decor, live entertainment on select evenings, craft cocktails inspired by the 1920s, and a working distillery that produces the museum's own moonshine. Exhibits throughout the basement explain how Prohibition created enormous opportunities for organized crime by fueling illegal alcohol production and distribution across the United States. Visitors can also learn about bootleggers, rum runners, and the underground economy that emerged during the era. The museum places significant emphasis on Las Vegas's relationship with organized crime. Several exhibits explore how early casino development was financed, the influence of mob-controlled gambling operations, and the transition to corporate ownership that transformed Las Vegas into the entertainment destination it is today. Through photographs, historical documents, personal stories, and interactive displays, visitors gain insight into how organized crime helped shape the city's early casino industry before increased regulation and federal investigations changed the landscape. In addition to its permanent exhibits, the Mob Museum regularly hosts temporary exhibitions, educational lectures, panel discussions, author presentations, and community programs. As an accredited nonprofit museum, it serves not only as a tourist attraction, but also as an educational institution dedicated to preserving and interpreting American history. The museum continually updates its exhibits with newly acquired artifacts and research, ensuring repeat visitors often discover something new during subsequent visits. Most visitors spend between 1 and 3 hours exploring the museum, depending on how thoroughly they engage with the exhibits and interactive experiences. Photography is permitted throughout most of the museum, although flash photography and video recording are restricted. The museum is open daily from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m., while the underground speakeasy operates later into the evening, creating an opportunity to combine a historical museum visit with a unique nightlife experience. For travelers interested in American history, true crime, law enforcement, or the development of Las Vegas, the Mob Museum offers one of the city's most informative and engaging attractions. Its combination of authentic artifacts, immersive storytelling, interactive exhibits, and historic setting provides visitors with a deeper understanding of the ongoing struggle between organized crime and those who have worked to combat it, making it far more than a museum about gangsters. It is a comprehensive exploration of a significant aspect of American history.